Bonjour, je suis votre professeur de français. Je m'appelle Madame Hacker. Je suis très heureuse d'être votre professeur ce semestre. I would like to show you how to get started in this class. Hopefully, you will be completing the welcome unit this week and beginning the first unit in the class. For first year students, you will be going into your 1B class. When you go into your 1B class every day, I want you to look at your announcements. When you look at this, it's going to come up like this every time you open up your Blackboard. Here is your announcements for this week and starting the class. Please make sure to complete all components of this. It'll tell you to go to coursework. If you look in the left column here, this is the menu bar that can access many of the links required for this class. Here is coursework. When you click on that, you will see the courses, the units for this semester. We are completing a welcome unit and then units 4, 5, and 6. These match the units in the book, which is located in my.hrw.com. If you're taking this class again, you already have your username and password, and if you're new, I'll be sending you a new one this week. Please make sure to complete all components of the welcome unit because there are very important videos here. How to go through coursework, how to navigate the class, how to submit assignments, how to work your student email. Often students are using their personal email and you're not getting the important information like my weekly announcements, important announcements, and weekly progress reports. Those all go to your student email, the email that you used when you registered for this class. I want you to make sure to go through all components, again, of the welcome unit. When it tells you to submit an assignment, you click on the Submit Assignments area, and there it is, welcome unit assignment. You're going to find another assignment here in just a moment that's also going to be uploaded. Then you may begin unit 4, which is talking about things that we own. When it says to click here to download a paquet de notes, you will click and make sure to download it and save it onto your computer. You may type on this, or you may print it out and write on it, which I think is a preferable method, or you may have a spiral notebook for this class and make a list of vocabulary and do your activities in there in a way that fits your learning style. Some people might even print this out and copy and paste, or cut out and paste these pictures into a spiral notebook and write in there. That's what we do in my classroom. And then you can submit pictures, JPEGs. You can take a picture of this or scan it and submit it as a PDF. And that is a great way to submit work. Please save all work on either your thumb drive or on your computer so that you can access it later. When you are done, you're going to be submitting work either in Submit Assignments or blogs or journals, as you can see over here on the left menu item. I want you to keep up. How can you keep up? You're going to click on the Syllabus and Pacing Guide. Click on the Pacing Guide and it's going to tell you what is due every single week. So week 1 is Welcome to the Class and Quelques Objets. You will note that there's 2 items due per week, sometimes 3. You need to be looking at this, whether it's on your computer, you print it out and hang it on your bulletin board, hang it on your fridge, whatever it takes so you can keep up in this class. It is your responsibility to work every single week. Language is something that takes repetition, and then I give you feedback, and then you use the feedback I gave you in your future work. That's how you learn a language. You can't just cram it in at the end. That's not an appropriate way to learn. So get started today on making sure you do every lesson in the order that is presented. You cannot skip around. Now, the book is located in my.hrw.com. You're going to log in with a password and username that's been given to you. As a first-year student, your book's going to be blue. When you log in, make sure to select your unit. We're in Unit 4. Hit go. You're going to have all these tabs. Now, Teacher Resources is the only tab you're not going to have. And there's your book. I want you to be proactive, and I want you to be a researcher and a risk taker as an online student. You need to be able to problem solve and figure out how to make something work for you online. So if these pages aren't big enough for you and you notice that they're small, experiment. Oh, there's a page view over here on the left. I'm going to zoom in and make that page bigger. So really make this work for you. Also, there is a student resource section. This is an excellent section. It's called Review, and there's flashcards. When you look at your flashcards, please note that you might have to expand this box to get that
Qui est-ce?
audio link. Repeat and practice after the speaker.
Qui est-ce?
Qui est-ce?
Comment est-il? Comment est-elle?
Comment est-il? Comment est-elle? Then you can click on this to flip over. What is he or she like? Then go to the next flashcard. Click on this.
Quel âge a-t-il? Quel âge a-t-elle?
Quel âge a-t-il? Quel âge a-t-elle? Flip the flashcard. Oh yeah, I remember that from Unit 1. So use this great resource that's been provided to you. And there's quizzes, reviews, there's interactive maps, and you can access all audio, workbook audio and video for each unit right here. So if you have a problem with a link in Blackboard, you can go right to my.hrw.com. I look forward to working with you this semester. Please let me know if you have any questions. Please complete the welcome unit. Let's look one more time at what is due this week. Please complete welcome to the class and quelques objets this week. Bonne semaine. Have a great week.